Hello, today you're looking at a rapid 5,000 amp 9 volt air-cooled rectifier brought to you by Lanco. Unit is wired for 220 volt 3-phase. This is in very good working condition. Power it up here in a second so you can see and hear it go. Overall dimensions of this unit, 45 inches long by 35 inches wide by 65 inches high. It is remote controlled. Here is the remote. And we'll now turn it on so you can see and hear it go. Go over here, take a look at the O-scope wave. Very nice unit if you're interested. Please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.